Good afternoon, my lovers. I'm back out on the fields. Well, I'm not in the field today. I'm in an orchard. I've got an orchard to do. Grass is a bit on the long side. It's going to be a bit of a struggle finding anything decent, methinks. And if you can hear the detectors going beep beep, boop boop, beep beep, because there's an electric fence over here somewhere. Oh, I didn't see this place coming up. You know, I tried to look for it on a map, but my brother came up with this place and he's a bit hopeless. He's probably going to be watching this later. Right, mate. All right, my brother. Right, I got a lovely signal over here. Oh, I think I got some cack right here. I think it's there somewhere. It might be some sort of thing. I don't know what it is. Looks like aluminum. Ugh. Oh, I think I might have some more cack. Ugh. Yeah, definitely. Oh, there she blows. Oh, could be old. Could be. Or it could be some more cack. Oh, you could hear the electric fence. You know that electric fence? Detectors going beep beep. Yeah, it's cack. Oh, this site's a complete disaster. I'm just digging cack left, right and centre. But this one sounds better. I think this part of the garden, orchard, might have been a dumping ground. Still down there. Ooh, just there. I might be onto something really nice with a bit of luck. I can't see it. Might run it out. Oh, what's that there? Oh, yes! I got something nice. I've got something nice. Woohoo! It's not cack. It's a medieval pot leg, methinks. Yeah, I think it is. I think it's a piece, it's a section of a medieval pot leg. Right, I'm going to have to get my brother up here with his other, my other detector, not his. I let him borrow one. Right, I'm going to get this cleaned up and I'm going to get back to you. Yeah, definitely a pot leg. It might have stood on this flat side. And this bit here might have been the base of the pot curving up. Or it's just broken, it's a broken fragment. So yeah, medieval. And I've just noticed something else that I'm going to show you that looks very interesting. Pot legs have different varying kinds of designs, from sort of crude things with some that look like legs. Here's another pot leg. This one's just a lump, that's more or less what I've got. You've got varying different designs. There's a little pot with these legs. Now this piece of ground here is quite flat, and then it goes along to the far corner where I found the pot leg, and see how it sort of suddenly rises up into a bump? That could be the platform of an ancient house, just right there, just there. So yeah, I'm going to detect around that area, take away that branch that's fallen down. There's a branch that's landed on the deck. We'll take that away and give that area a bit more of a going over. Oh, look at that thing there I just found sticking out of the mud. Huge, great big iron piece. Now, is it one of those things for scraping your boots off? I don't want to move. I'm going to dig it out and then I'm going to show you what it is. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's a boot scraper. Well, the landowner might be able to repurpose that. I think. You know, you put your boot on the top and scrape off the mud. One of them things. Pretty sure that's what it is. Lovely jubbly. Oh, we got a lovely one down here. Could be silver. 1233. Could be gold. Oh, right, there's my pesky pinpointer. Here it is. Where's it to? There she blows. Oh, I've got an ancient coin. I reckon I got some gold. I have got some gold. Oh, yes. I got some gold. Lovely button, that. All the gold's on this one. Lovely jubbly. Yeah, button. Still got his string in there. Right, let's see if I can clean that up a bit. Oh, yeah. Oh, that macro racer's making a right racket. Right. Yeah, got some gold. Not a lot of gold, but I've got some. Right, there's some writing on the side there. Can you see that? Just there. Oh, I didn't think I was going to find much here. I was finding loads of cack, and now I'm on the good stuff. Well, we got a good spot here, my lovers. Look at that on the horizon. That's a little barrow clump up there, if I'm not mistaken. That's probably a Bronze Age, no, Saxon. That's a Saxon burial ground up there. A little clump of trees, look. Yeah, we got a damn good view. Can't show you too much of the place where I am, but yeah, it's a really nice view of the Cotswolds. Oh, some cliffs up there, look. Some cliffs. Anybody walking around up there or climbing? A bit wobbly at this distance. Oh, someone's phone's just made a noise. Ah! Oh, right. I've given up metal detecting. That field was terrible, but I've got a nice ride. I've got a nice ride to the pub. We're going to go in the Old Spot Inn. It's a lovely pub, and this is the ride I've had to this wonderful orchard. Well, not wonderful, but this is the ride I got to take me metal detecting. Right, here she blows. It's a Tesla. And that's my little brother in the, well, not little brother, older brother, in his brand new Tesla. Not bad to go metal detecting, is it? Is it? Not bad at all. Look how the door handle works. Got to push in there, and then you've got to pull the door handle. It's a bit posh, isn't it? Yeah, that's a £50,000 car. He's rolling in it, me brother, rolling in it. Oh, that's it. One of the best pubs in the country. The Old Spot Inn. Having a pint of otter ale in the Old Spot. Got a screen, look. Lovely jubbly. All the beers.
It's 4 and 3.
Yep, there's the beer garden. Lovely spot, isn't it? Ah, it's a bit murky. Still tastes alright. Otter ale. See the otter on the glass, look. It's nice in here. Old Spot, Newley. Oh yeah, ancient beers. Ginger ale. You know, Guinness is good for you. Gives you strength.
Yeah, we started for a beer festival. So where the barrel is now, it's for students and the liberty.
Well, that's it, me lovers. I'm going to head off home now. Cheers!